Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing Android apps of the month of September. As some of you guys already know, the past month we covered the August applications. They were really amazing. But September is here, and some of you guys already know Tech September has an incredible and amazing kind of applications throughout this month. So enough of me talking, let us just dive in on the Android apps of month of September. So yeah. With our first application of the list, it's called Notes apps. Well, this is a Notes app from nothing, giving you some great and amazing kind of Notes app, which it's really great. So you just go to the title and you just name your title. Let's say I'm gonna name my title Hello. So my description might be just random text, and throughout here you can add even a category. So just tap on add and you name your first category. Let's say it's just this one, and you just tap on here. So when you scroll here, you'll find your category down here. Just tap on your category and you're good to go, and you can just keep your notes. So it's a really nice and amazing kind of incredible application for the notes and storing your notes, and it's really amazing just like that. And you can even keep it privacy, like giving it some biometric throughout here, like mine here, what I've done. So when I go back, or when I go just back and try to check out this kind of notes, you can see it allows me whenever I'm using just my biometric, which is really great throughout this Notes app. So yeah, you can just jump in on the settings side to change the theme. Let's say you like light theme compared to dark theme, but I usually prefer dark theme, is much better. So yeah. Our second app of the list is called the Remote by VLC. Well, this is a remote application. What it does, you can actually remote your computer. You can control the mouse, you can control the media. Let's say you are watching a video or you're watching a movie throughout VLC. You can actually control by using this mouse, and you can even keep it next, forward, increase the volume depending on what you really need. You can open direct actions throughout here, like you can add your own kind of quick actions, and you can even close the action, which is really great throughout using this application. It gives it some really amazing aesthetics, I can say, which is so much convenience. Throughout here you can see there is power, so whenever you want to use these kind of extra features, just know that you have to pay for the app to unlock extra features. But overall, it's such an amazing and great application. To check it out. Third application of the list is called Shake It. Well, this kind of application, it's really amazing because you just use the navigation or the sensors throughout your phone. What you're gonna do is you set your action. Let's say on this one, I can set it to just do the flashlight, but I've tried to trigger the flashlight, but usually it doesn't work. But whenever I'm using the camera side, or am I missing something? So when I do just this way, you can see it will just trigger the camera just like that. So let's try again. 1 2 1 2. There we go. So sometimes there's a little bit of delay just like that, but overall it works. Fourth application of the list is called Android Easter eggs. Well, this is such an incredible and amazing kind of application to bring you some nostalgic from first Android all the way to Android 15. It's such an amazing and great experience to just see how much time we have come throughout Android operating system. Well, Android operating system is such an iconic when it comes to its own kind of Easter eggs. As you can see, you can just explore bunch of Easter eggs over here, and you can just trigger them like normally you do on your phone throughout the settings side, starting from the Android Froyo all the way to Android 15. It's so much iconic, and it's worth it to check it out. And even sometimes you can trick your friend running Android even 4.2 or even Android Honeycomb on your phone. Meanwhile, you already know what's on your phone. So it's a really cool application, to be honest, and I kind of give it thumbs up. So yeah, the application of the list is called Calmaria. Well, this kind of application, what it does, it offers you some breathing and exhaling and inhaling and stuff like that. Let's say you just want to concentrate and just get some exhaling and inhaling. Well, you can use this application for your focus, and it's really incredible. What you really need to do is just follow what it does. Like you can tap on that kind of sunset. That means right now you need to inhale, and when you just hold up a little bit, it's time for you to hold your breath, and you'll just exhale when the cycle goes down, which is really amazing throughout this application, and it gives you a little bit of relaxation throughout your own self, and it's really worth it to check it out. So the application is called Calmaria, and it's a really nice application. So yeah, now to the sixth, or the last but not least application. This is an emulator. It's a really nice emulator. You can emulate bunch of games, starting from NES. As you can see here, you can emulate up to 3DS, which is really incredible throughout using this kind of emulator. So you can play your games over here, explore a bunch of games, like I gave it my type of games, but just know that it comes with an advertisement. You might be sometimes closing the advertisement and start playing your game and enjoy that kind of greatness throughout the experience. The controls, they're really good, not quite bad, I can say. I can't complain on that, but overall it just gives you some nice and amazing kind of look and an amazing kind of experience throughout using this emulator. So the emulator is on the Play Store, and the links will be down below in the description, just to explore and enjoy your emulations. And it even has links to where you can download your gaming and have some great and amazing kind of gaming experience. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the application of September. And last but not least, let me know in the comments down below which application captured you mostly, and another kind of stuff. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And I got my Shifu, is it Shifu or yes, samurai stuff going on in here, another kind of stuff. See you guys on the next tech video, and make sure that you sub to the channel and turn on that kind of bell before I take my sword and I do the thing. Yeah, up to the next one. Peace.